Hey everybody, Bob Vandy here with you once again with Advisors Insurance Brokers this week of June 22nd, 2020. I hope you and yours continue to be safe and healthy and well out there. Well, we've reached or are about to reach at least the official end of the school year, and what a strange end of the school year it's been. Even though we've reached that end of the year, we are in the process of rolling out some great summer school here at AIB for each of you as our agents and advisors. If you're getting this as part of our email system, check out the links below to 5 webinars that we have coming up between now and the end of July. If you're getting this as part of our social media postings, you can go to our website, which is also listed below. Just go to Tools and Resources, and you can register for any of those upcoming webinars as well. Stay tuned. We are in the process of adding more for the month of August as well, so stay tuned for that. Also, on the topic of education, if any of you are in need of CE, we've got a great session planned for July 21st. We're going to do a virtual CE day with our partners from Nationwide Financial. We're going to be doing 3 hours, 3 one-hour CE sessions with our friends from Nationwide that'll provide you with insurance CE virtually anywhere in the country, CFP CE, PACE CE for you CLUs and CHFC holders through the American College out there, as well as CPA CE. So take a look at the information below in the email or reach out to us at our office. We can give you more info on that. We're also going to have a bonus 4th hour just for our New York affiliated agents and brokers, where we'll get you an extra 4th hour of CE credit as well. Also, keep in mind, reminder, you can get your client up to $5 million of life insurance on not necessarily a medical basis. That is, you can get up to $5 million without necessarily having the need for an in-person medical exam, paramed exam, what have you. Now, there are some qualification criteria, as you may know. If you have any questions on that, call the 800 number below. Hit option 3 for our life sales support folks. They'll be glad to help you out. Keep in mind also, it's still Annuity Awareness Month, at least for the next few days. So if you're finishing up some promotion and marketing of annuities and the important role that they play in your client's planning, if you need some help with that, reach out to Jeannie Knapp. Jeannie is at extension 136 here at our home office, and she's equipped, ready to help you as our sales coordinator on the annuity side. And then finally, we have a number of sales incentives going on. As a reminder, we have our Practice What You Preach sales incentive, which gives you a few extra bucks for any business that you do with us on yourself or a family member. And then a couple of our carrier partners, one with American National, they have an annuity sales incentive going on right now that you may want to take a look at. And then finally, the folks from True Freedom, which some of you may know is not an insurance product, but it's a discounted home care services contract. They too have a sales incentive going on. So if you have clients who can't necessarily qualify for a long-term care insurance solution, whether traditional or linked benefit, acceleration rider on a policy, you may want to take a look at that product. That may be able to help as well. So great being with you once again. Hopefully everybody enjoyed their Father's Day, and we'll look forward to catching up with everyone soon. Take care, everyone.